guys, welcome to another highly exciting episode of Brew Bros. Exciting for me anyway. The new boil kettle has finally arrived, the SS Brewtech 20-gallon tri-clamp kettle. It's had a hole cut in it, a 60mm hole for the new 6 kilowatt element. So I've not seen it yet, so I'm hoping it's all in the right place. I'm sure it is. The guys at Malt Miller sorted all that out for us. So yeah, a little bit exciting. If unboxing videos your kind of thing, stick around, we'll see what's inside. Okay, fortunately I've got my trusted shiv ready to go. Let's get this bad boy open then. It looks like it's going to be the lid. Yeah, there we go, nice and solid. Nice rubber handle. Moment of truth. There she is, it's all looking good. One 1/2 inch tri-clamp fitting there for the, there's a whirlpool attachment which hopefully has been delivered as well. That's obviously where where the tap's going to go. And around the back, which I mentioned before, this is a 2-inch tri-clamp fitting, so it needed a 60mm hole cut in it, which they've done. So the element is just going to slide straight in there, 6 kilowatt element. So wasn't sure whether to go for 2 3 kilowatt elements or one 6 kilowatt element. I decided on the 6 kilowatt element because it was cheaper than getting 2. And then I can just have to address how I dial down the power that's delivered to it at a later date. Included parts, what we got, this looks like a tri-clamp. It's wedged, isn't there? There we go. Tri-clamp for the front ball valve. There it is, the front tri-clamp ball valve. An empty box. It's quite a cool box though. Not seen that design before. Nice. Okay, so just a quick look at everything we get in the box. Obviously the lid. Then we've got the tri-clamp, 1.5 inch tri-clamp ball valve. We've got a 1.5 inch gasket. And then we've got the actual 1.5 inch tri-clamp itself. Then obviously not forgetting the kettle. Little look inside. Instruction manual, very handy. What is basically just a big metal pot. I like how you always get the, you always seem to get 2 little beer mats, SS Brewtech beer mats that come with it. Spend 400 quid, you get 2 free beer mats. Something to bear in mind. And here's the 2-inch tri-clamp that they fitted. Okay, just going to insert the 6 kilowatt element for the very first time. Just making sure the gasket's nicely seated in there. There we go. Very nice. Thanks guys, that's all she wrote. That's the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching. All that remains now is to give it a nice clean with some trisodium phosphate to get all the machine and polishing oils off it. Then I'm going to clean it with PBW. Then I'm going to passivate it with a lot of Star San or a cheap alternative. So yeah, we'll obviously put it to test in an upcoming Brew Bros video. So thanks for watching. Oh.